Hey, in this video, I'm gonna test the code review skill using Claude Code. So if you're a software engineer, keep here with us. In this case, I just vibe coded one small application that is one simulation of one social media. So just gonna sign in and test to publish one new post. Okay, so let's try it again. That's working. So just before we continue, remember to subscribe to our channel, like the video to continue receiving content like this. To let you know, I choose it to use Node.js with EJS. That is basically one server rendered views. For SQL, I choose a SQLite version 3 with clean architecture and the best practices of clean code. Now let's go test the code review skill. I'm gonna increase the speed because it takes a lot of time. Okay, so he found a lot of issues. I'm not gonna walk through every one, but in your case, if you are using this in one real software project, of course you need to walk through each one. And I don't think it's good to just accept all the outcomes. You must question everything because some things not make sense, but I think most of them gonna do, and probably he gonna miss some points, and you must to run this command again and again, or even take some things by your mind because you know you are one software engineer and this is just one tool that's helping you. So he just takes some notes saying that no git histories exist, so this is a whole code base, read rather than a delta review. Okay, no problem. The top tier issues are the case sensitive email lookup, that makes sense. Session fixation, weak session secret, the full missing cookie security, this is very important. And root seed bypassing validation. Item 8, the password mismatch with the readme. Okay, now I'm gonna ask Cloud to fix all the problems and let's see what happens. I'm gonna increase the speed again. Okay, so he finished that. He fixed all the 15 problems, the case sensitive, the CSRF, rate limit, session regenerate, decrypt, etc. And he's displaying all the files that he touched. That makes sense, but I'm gonna question the results because I don't see an .env file as it was vibe coded. Usually the AIs make a lot of mistakes regarding the .env files, so I just gonna ask if he did create it to improve this security breach. So he's saying, no, I didn't create a .env file, and the code doesn't load one. All environment variables, session secret, root password, etc. directly from process.env. He asking if I want to add .env and wire up .env loading in server.js and create a env example, or leave it as is. Of course, I'm gonna choose the first option. Confirm it, that env is loaded and applied. Okay, here's the env example. Nice. And I'm gonna ask if the code review identified that we didn't create any kind of tests, unit tests, anything else. So let's see what happens. Just to understand that you cannot trust in every outcome. You must question everything because you are paid for that. That's your profession. As expected, you're right. I did not flag it. When the AI starts saying that you are right, it is doing a lot of mistakes. So don't trust in Av outcome. For now, I'm not gonna ask for he added all the test suites because we don't have too much time for that. But in your case, of course, you must to remember to do this kind of things. It's very important paying attention in the test coverage. So not now, just run again the application and I'm gonna test it again to see the results. If it's still working because as you saw the last time, the application was working. So let's see if the code review and all the fixes are working pretty well. Just a sec. Okay, let's see. Wrong password. Just one sec. Okay, so it's working. I'm gonna test to publish one new post. Test it again. Okay, that's working. Nice. And I'm gonna ask you to run a new code review. And as you can see, he found again a lot of issues. So if you run again and again, you ever gonna find new problems. So you must read everything, question everything, because this is just one tool for you. It's not the source of truth of your daily work. You must to question everything because he maybe can fix something that's not a real problem and you are creating a new bug because you just trusted in everything that the AI is saying here. But it of course have a lot of benefits because he's finding a lot of problems that we would take a lot of time to do it manually, so that's nice. And you must to use it in your favor. But pay attention, be professional because you can face a lot of problems if you trust in everything. So, as one software engineer, you must to guarantee that since the design to the develop, test, and deploy are working pretty well, so you must to pay attention in quality and continuous improvement in security, fixing bugs, improving the all the process. So this is something that the AI cannot do for you. You must to learn and practice it every day, not trust in everything that AI is saying for you. But of course, code review is one really good tool that you must use in your favor. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video to continue receiving new contents. So see you in the next one.